Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove and take out the SIM card from iPhone. This is iPhone SE, second generation, iPhone SE 2020. So first of all we need to switch off the iPhone. So I will show you how to take out the SIM card if you don't have a SIM tray tool. I have got this for Toothpick. You can use toothpick or needle. Like that, the SIM tray. As we remove, and you can replace, exchange, switch it to another SIM, or if you need to insert it back, just insert it back like that, and then you can turn on your phone. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.